Barbecue Nation. You know, the word I say Barbecue Nation, no, my mouth starts to water. I'll tell you why. Why? Because me and Parul, before we used to get married, we used to go to Barbecue Nation a lot. ठीक है, दिल्ली में है. एंड आई रिमेंबर उस समय काफ़ी टाइम से नहीं गए, 1500-1600 के अराउंड नॉन वेज पर हेड कॉस्ट आती थी. बुफे था एज मच एज यू कैन ईट एंड वी यूज्ड टू लव द एपेटाइजर्स. और वहाँ जाते ही ना हम दोनों का मिडिल क्लास इंसान बाहर आ जाता था. एंड वी वर लाइक कि बफे है, हमने 1600 पर हेड दे दिया, अब तो भाई जितना खा सकते हो खाओ, 200. एंड वी वुड ईट टिल हियर एंड द फूड वॉज डिलिशियस. And I never thought that there would be a time when I would be giving a YouTube video on an IPO launch of Barbecue Nation. Well, let's go. Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goela and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. And today I'm going to give you a quick guide through the IPO of Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited so that you can come closer to a decision whether you want to apply or not. Fair? Okay. Now, before starting, I'm giving the timestamps all over here so that if you don't want to watch the entire video, you can skip to the video, skip to the part that is most relevant to you. But again, मैं तो ये recommend करूँगा पूरी video देखो तभी आपको अच्छे समझ आएगा. So सबसे पहले I'm going to tell you the IPO dates and IPO details, then the business model, then the competitive advantage, then the financial position, competition, threat and my opinion. Right? तो सब आपके सामने है. You can click to this timestamp if you prefer. अब सबसे पहले है IPO details. So the name of the IPO is Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited. The IPO details is that the opening date is on 24th March 2021. Closing date is 26th March 2021. IPO price is 489 to 500 per share, जो हम expect कर रहे हैं. And listing would be in, of course, NSE and BSE. And application size would be of 30 shares. So 30 shares अगर लगा लो 500 के हिसाब से भी है, तो 30 shares into 500 is about 15,000. One lot if you want to apply would cost you around 15,000. Right? Now come to the next point, the business model. Now if you see the business model, it's one of the leading dining restaurant chains in our country. It offers best quality food, ambience and services. वो तो generally even I can tell you. I remember when we went to a Barbecue Nation. So service is awesome, food is obviously awesome. And we had gone there to some, I think, waiter को but then there was some event. We had gone there to celebrate something. और waiter को पता चला तो he gave us a free cakes and everything. So वो तो हर चीज़ है ही वहाँ पे. This chain started in 2008 and it has 138 restaurants in 73 cities. This is something that I was not expecting because I didn't know Barbecue Nation इतनी सारी जगह है. But yes, it has 138 restaurants in 73 cities. It has a massive plan of expansion and it has also 7 restaurants out of India. 7 restaurants also out of India. So this is the business model of the restaurant, what's the current business model, the highlights of that. Next, we move to the competitive advantage. Now, let's talk about the competition advantage. First, it is one of the fastest growing brands. So, brand awareness definitely बहुत बड़ी है. It serves to both veg and non-veg category of people. So, they have a big market to look into. The promoters and the entire team is very experienced and very well managed. There's a good management behind it. And then what's the last point I can't review, and there's a healthy position with a good financial growth. So basically inki growth has been good, growth is good. As you can see, the number of chains also have opened. Coming to the financial position now if you see, the sales growth has definitely increased. In 2013 the sales was 590 crores. In 2020 the sales is 851 crores. So 590 crores to 851 crores, definitely it's a great. And then coming to PAT, which is profit after tax. Now this is the shocking part. Profit after tax, in 2018 they were at a loss of 6 crores. In 2020 they are at a loss of 33 crores. So ideally this is a loss making company, right? Then we move on to competition. Who are the competition to Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited? Then we have Jubilant Foods, we have Burger King, then we have specialty restaurants, then we have Westlife Development. So definitely competition sector में तो बहुत stringent है. Now what are the risks around this? Risk around Barbecue Nation as a entire restaurant is that first, सबसे पहला COVID-19. Yes, 2020 had a major hit on them. Now, if you see the current situation, second wave aa rahi hai. Maharashtra mein, I think there were about 2,500 cases in a day, and things are worse than ever. It doesn't seem like कि सबको लग रहा है COVID खत्म हो गया, but खत्म नहीं हुआ है. If you read the news, you see the number of COVID cases rising is much more than what it was in the lockdown. So it is definitely a scary situation and a big risk to Barbecue Nation. Second, ये है now, why is it a risk? Because Barbecue Nation का concept ही है that if you have gone there, if you haven't gone to Barbecue Nation, एक बार तो दोस्त, if it's around you, I would recommend एक बार तो जाओ. It's an experience worth taking. And वहाँ पे क्या है now, it's a buffet system. अब आप खुद देखोगे, in the COVID-19 situation, having a buffet system is a little difficult. ठीक है? And if you don't go there, you don't get that experience. तो COVID-19 will be a major risk to this. And second risk जो है इस company में is that it's a loss-making business. So it's not a profit-making business, it is a loss-making business. In the future, yes, it's one of the fastest-growing brands. It might come into profit, I'm sure it will sometime. But as of now, it's a loss-making business. Then finally, my personal opinion, what would I recommend you? My opinion, would I be applying for Barbecue Nation IPO? I will not. I will not be applying for this IPO. It's not, again, the business actually good, the restaurant is good. As a consumer, I'm very happy to go there. But as an investor, a little skeptical. Why am I saying this? Why? Because I don't see the COVID situation going anytime soon. Right? I see that 2021, till the point everyone is vaccinated, to hoga, that COVID situation still will be relevant. So yes, there would be problems with Barbecue Nation. Again, I'm not saying that it will be shut. It will be open. I'm sure कुछ whole guidelines आके open हो जाएगा. But problems होंगी ही होंगी. The entire experience of that restaurant will not be as what it was before COVID, right? So first thing is that, and the second thing is that because I'm not investing, but it's a loss-making business, and yeah, so this is why I will not be investing in this. If you see simple fundamental, simple thing, thoda overpriced है, thoda loss-making business भी है, so would I be investing in it? I would not be investing in it. And do I recommend you not to invest in it? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. This is my take. So what I would do, you've seen all the information, देखो, study करो, खुद पढ़ो, and then you can decide whether you want to apply for the Barbecue Nation Hospitality Limited IPO or not. Well, that was it for today. I'm going to see you in the next videos. और बहुत सारी videos आई हुई हैं. और बताऊँ, I was thinking of making a video on why the hell are there so many IPOs being listed day after day after day. पहले क्या होता था? IPOs होते थे हर 2-3 महीने में एक. Now I see in a week itself we have 2-3 IPOs coming out. And yeah, so if you want me to make a video on that, critically analyze that, why are there so many IPOs being listed during these days, नीचे कमेंट करके बताना. हर्ष वीडियो ऑन सो मेनी IPOs, नीचे कमेंट करके बताना. टिल देन वीडियो को लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. इफ यू हैव एनीथिंग एल्स टू शेयर, नीचे लिखो. इफ यू थिंक यू गोइंग टू अप्लाई फॉर दिस, नीचे लिखो. इफ यू थिंक यू नॉट गोइंग टू अप्लाई फॉर दिस, नीचे लिखो. एनीथिंग, राइट इट डाउन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. लाइक द वीडियो and subscribe to the channel. This is Harsh Goela. Give my regards to your family members. Give my love to your young ones. This is Goela School of Finance, financially empowering you. Boom.